As Yogi Berra once said, we made too many wrong mistakes. Well, when it comes to state pension planning, you can't afford to make a mistake. That's why we have over 300 state and local pension plans and their various iterations housed all in one place. No more combing through member handbooks trying to determine what factor to use or when a hire date changed the benefit. RetireMax has done it for you. This tab is designed to help you quickly and accurately illustrate a particular state's retirement benefit and a net retirement income. Under the header, National Pension Library, when you tap on the Open Web tool, a drop-down menu appears that allows you to input information to illustrate a state retirement plan. The first cell is the name. I suggest using the tab key to move from cell to cell, date of birth, and percent of full-time working. Next, tab to the drop-down bar, and you'll see each of the state's different retirement plans. Let's tap on the Texas State Retirement System, TRS, hired before 9/1/2005. Note that if you tap on the drop-down menu, you'll have to scroll to the state you want. Typing in the letter only works if you tab to the drop-down menu. We'll put in 15 years of service, $50,000 annual compensation, 20 years to retirement, 1% increase, and the beneficiary's date of birth. Click Calculate, and then you can check one or both of the next options, and then click Report. The different retirement income amounts appear with different beneficiary income options. Not all states provide survivorship tables as public record and thus won't be illustrated, even if a beneficiary's date of birth is entered. We continue to request this data and update pension plans as they change each year. The illustration also provides different values based on future years from if a client decides to retire at a different age. The icon in the upper left corner gives you the option to quickly email to yourself or the client. The straight life annuity amount is $47,906, or $3,992 monthly. For our income example, I'll use joint and survivor 100%, and the amount $43,891, or $3,658 monthly. To remove the web tool, just tap outside the tool screen. And please remember to document the pension amount or email it to yourself because once you X out of the National Pension Library, you have to re-enter the client data again. The tables and data are just too immense to sit docile inside your machine. It would drain your battery and drag down your processing speed. Okay, now back to the numbers. Under the net retirement income header, you can enter the gross monthly annuity, which in our example is $3,992. I'll put 8.4% as the cost, which is the difference between $3,992 and $3,658, or $334. Divide that by the original amount of $3,992 to get the 8.4%. You can then enter other investments along with their expected monthly income. Notice the plus sign. Tap on that, and you can enter additional investments. IRA, $250,000 at 5% income equals $12,500, or $1,041 monthly. Other incomes and costs can be inputted to generate a net retirement income. Under tax-free income, $500 a month taken from a Roth account, a $1,000 per month from Social Security, $100 health care for both, and I'll use 15% taxes. I'll show $1,000 per month from Sam's 401k and $2,000 per month from Social Security. Net monthly retirement income is then illustrated and then compared to current net pay. It also shows the retirement income shortfall and the gap percentage. Under the Savings and Investment Information header, you can list as many accounts as needed for projected future values, and you can determine values to enter into the above cells. Now you're ready to move to either the Social Security tab, if applicable, or to the Retirement Blueprint tab to continue to take this client to the next chapter. As you move through this tutorial, you'll start to see how each tab is independent of each other, but all work together to create a comprehensive storyline. You'll use some tabs more than others. You'll use different tabs with different situations. You have the flexibility to do what the client is trusting you to do for them from the beginning. Give them a path, one that meets them where they are and gets them where they want to be.